get up. Snow angel.
I'm breathing, yeah, Tino.
Two broken worlds collided. Now the power of love ignited. Then we both decided that our love will never be divided. Today it's a mystery how faith brought us this family. Now you'll hear the stories about how we built the house of the Browns, yeah. One king, one queen, 2 thrones, 2 crowns, yeah. One life, just us against the world, yeah. Welcome to the house of the Browns, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Me nah like this is a pretty day. A nice hot sunny day to play with the pitney them. It's just a nice hot sunny day to play with the kids. What a wonderful day. What a lovely day, man. What a lovely day that day be, man. Jesus and peace me give God thanks for that day, yeah.
Make up.
Oh, babe.
Oh, you sleep so long, man. Look how long, man, night.
Babe, I have such a nice dream. Look what I wake me up out of my dream. My dream say we out the door and me and the picnic them and you are playing at the summer outside. It was so nice. It was a lovely day. The sun is shining and everything.
I love that dream, they say. But yes, I have to bust a bubble. Snow outside.
What?
Yes, finally snow outside.
No. May I go back go sleep?
Yes, get up.
What do you mean by snow?
Snow out the door.
May I go see for myself? I lie this. I can't even believe this right now. I don't even know what to say. I'm stressed out already. Welcome back, guys, to the House of the Browns. It is 2024. Yes, guys, me know when I say Nico late, we late, Tino late, we late. But however, this is our first vlog for the year. Don't kill us, don't stone us, don't mash me up. It's just that we had to regroup. Anyhow, like any other family, you have to regroup. But anyhow, we're gonna get into this video. Today is a snow day, a snowstorm. So, you know, like when you're there at Jamaica and rain fall and you're there home and you cuddle up and you try to keep warm and cozy. It's just the same thing, except it is snow, it is ice. So, as the same vibe, but just a little bit different. Like instead of water come down, a snow come down, ice come down, whatever. So, we're gonna get into this video.
Riding in your carriage, Tintin.
Woo! Woo!
With my car.
Come. Woo! Come. What's up, guys? So I'm here with another video. This is the snowy edition. So I'm gonna tell you this. If anybody think America stop for nobody, you make a sad mistake. A snow, me a drive in a literally snow for go work. And what that tell me say, all if nobody no come for come do business, you have to sit down in the building. And so them think. So, and a better roasting at this place. And an easy life. It may look easy. Some people come and tell you say it easy, not easy. But if I drop off my pitney them, in a snow. I have to take my time to go work in a snow. It's not an easy road, can tell you that. You get me? So I'm showing you the road still. We're gonna see active snow. No joke snow, guys. That's, as a matter of fact, it has snow from last week. This is the 4th snow day. This is the 4th snow day since last week. So nobody now call off them business place. All if them have to burn the electricity and not make no money, you have to do it. You get me? That's how we want we govern our life we picnic them. It's like how the boss tell us always nothing not go on here for do it. The same way we want we do it for we picnic them and our family and our wife, our husband or whosoever. Do it for your family. Just like you have to show up at the workplace, all when it don't make no sense, show up for your family. Because at the end of the day, if the boss feel like say, you know, make him the money where he's supposed to make, him can fire you without any reason. At the end of the day, your family alone you have. So I just drop that in there, I just make you know, or remind you, family come first. Sometimes it's hard, but you see like you see anything what the boss demand of you, demand it for your family. If you want time, demand time for your family too. You have to spend it. You get me? I'm tired of the family are tear down and you have to out a door a slave. Like you're depend on an animal farm or an animal farm. No. Something have to break. Something have to change. And may I say this. May I say this with whole heap of passion. Something have to break. Something have to give way. You get me? Can't continue. There gotta be a better way. There must be a better way. You get me? So I almost pulling a work. I go show you how the place stay. Bless upon myself. In tune to the house of the Browns. Always big up. Alright guys, so it's a all day snow. You see how the sky white? This not done for today. All day. Anyhow, take a peek through the window. You will see kind of sunshine out there now. A white stuff. White stuff, you can't believe that? Anyhow, this is what it is like.
Oh God, this is a snow day. My hands are freezing. Wow, because I tried to clean the snow off the car here. I am going to attempt to drive out. Oh Lord. Back up a little bit, then try to drive out of here. It's crazy, but I think I'm going home to play with my son in the snow. It's been a while since we've had snow, so alright, so this is a road. Hard to see what's the road from that road. I don't know where I'm going. But I'm gonna turn this off because it makes sense. So one has to be careful when driving in the snow because you can almost never know when what your lane and so how it's coming down in your face is as if you're being attacked. So yeah, take my time and drive. class, but I was very successful in cleaning everything. But the main ones were done, and my fingers are burning. I'm attempting to clean with my hands, which is not very smart to do. But if you need to drive away soon, then you can't take a chance with your hand. But it's you know why your hand gets frozen, so you keep moving your fingers. Just stop when you feel the burning sensation. Mine is burning afterwards, which wasn't very good. So I'm trying to apply some heat to it. My fingers are red. Can't put your hand in hot water or have too much heat on it when it's cold. You'll get severe burns that way. This is my hand. Probably can't see it much, but it's what it is. I'm just happy to get off work and come out at this place now. Just in the family, right? And relax a little bit now without being.
Alright guys, riddle me this, riddle me that, what do you got? Anybody remember the little thing that them used to? I think it was some commercial or whatever. I think it was a Kool-Aid commercial. I don't remember what it was, but if you remember it, comment down below and let us know what it is. But we are gonna do this for this vlog. Alright, so riddle me this, riddle me that. And today's snow video riddle is, what do you get if you merge a snowman with a shark? Again, what do you get if you merge a snowman with a shark? Think about it, and I will be posting the answer at the end of this video. So all of the bright spots them will figure this out. Just wait until the video end. At the end of the video to figure out if you answer right. Let me see who, I think outside the box.
Why is she wiping off the car?
Because if she come in, she bring the car in the garage like that, then when the ice is melted, the whole garage is gonna be flooded. Yeah, and the easiest thing to live, especially in our winter time where it snow, you get whole heap of work. So just bringing y'all on a little adventure what we go through when it snows. Right, Gio?
Yep. And I'm the adventure for snow.
You like the adventure for snow?
Yes.
Gio loves the snow. Tintin tired. You tired, baby? Tired. So we're gonna tell you the precautions, the safety precautions that you have to take when it comes on to snow, the do's and the don'ts and the preparation and all that, because it's not like just when rain fall. You have to go outside, you have to make sure say you throw like a salt outside so that's the snow no stick and all that type of jazz. We're gonna take you through it today. Alright, so here we're coming from work, and Tina get a little bit jealous and bad mind after the shorts we post earlier with me I do the dance. So she want an ultimate dance challenge. So you go, babes?
No, I never get jealous.
What you
It
get?
was an idea of mine before to do a dance challenge because Nico thinks I can't dance.
Alright, you know what? You're gonna be the ultimate judge of that. Me never say nothing. Tina made some allegations say me thinks that she can't dance. You all be the judge of that. So
I
anyway.
mean, and the new dance, I don't really know them, but
But this kinda
you see,
old
butterfly
still.
and them something that we can do them.
But that one I kinda old still.
I don't know about what you call old, 20 years ago?
No.
Okay, alright. Let's do it. I'm gonna try it. There's one I'm like, but I don't know it name. I'm gonna try catch it. I don't know if I'm gonna catch it. But
Alright,
we're
yeah.
gonna do something.
We're gonna do something.
Can we do something for
So
something
here,
do it?
it's a snow day. We're gonna have some fun and we're gonna do a dance challenge. Y'all be the judge of it. You know, all fun and all game. You're gonna know if a team Nico or team Nico. Big up yourself. And remember to like, share, and subscribe all the time to the House of the Browns. Tell them, babes. Tell them again.
Tell them already, we're gonna tell them again.
And you know what? Like, share, and subscribe to the House of the Browns. Remember, hit that post notification bell. So let's get into the dance challenge.
Alright, come on, man, you talk too
It's
much.
a snow day. Alright guys, dance challenge all in a snow. You must know. Bad like daylight, right? That
Yeah.
even rhyme. Welcome to the House of the Browns. That's how we deal with things. Right, babe?
Yes, I know I won that challenge.
Who won? Who
And
wins?
so, I'm not even worried about it. The snow is actually nice. Outside, freezing, but feel good.
Feel
because
good.
now the fire inside of me, I'm gonna feel. You
And
know,
me win the challenge. Wanna tell her? Wanna tell her? Wanna tell her?
you can bounce like me. You can bounce like me.
Watch out.
You can butterfly. You
Butterfly, butterfly.
Alright, because them new dance here is a combination of the
Old
old
and
dance
new.
them. You know, so I know how to do them
Straight.
without even practicing. Cause I don't know what the dance do, name what I do a while ago. But me
Bounce.
since- Oh, that's
Ding
it?
dong, yeah.
Like bounty?
Bounce.
Like bounce, the
Just bounce.
dishwashing, the
Yeah, yeah. Just bounce.
Alright, so anyway, it named Bones. I'm saying Nico do it. I'm saying I can challenge him to do it. So okay, so that's how I learned that.
So
And
yeah,
I do,
bounce.
I do my bounce.
So
I do 1, 2,
Alright.
then
babe.
do your answer,
And
right
then you swing like a
go, go,
propeller.
go.
And then your elbow.
And there you go.
Elbow.
And remember popular, remember the so you see, the things that we do already. So I never come in hard.
So can we just bounce ourselves back into the house?
Here we go inside because I saw me have to talk to no fingers. So
And guess what? We are going out to play in the snow. Big kid type of thing. Oh. That was cool. Alright, so guys, I must add, when I said salt, when I say salt, I
playing in
mean
the
like
snow.
regular cooking salt, the regular salt we use in the kitchen. No,
Ready?
it's a special kind of salt for snow. So you sprinkle it on the ground and it prevents the ice from hardening and sticking and becomes like slippery and all of them something, they break it down real quick, so you can just scoop it off real quick. So it's a special type of ice. If you know, you know, and so if you don't know, it's fine. That is the reason for this video, to keep us informed. Right. One thing you'll realize by now that children love this kind of weather. For some strange reason, I don't know why. I mean, kids are kids and them love them kind of something here. But for me, we're setting on my old ways already. My bone set, and me no plan for break no bone and all of them something there and them something here. We just want to stay warm and dry. However, kids love it, children love it. Them like to see the snow, them want to go in and go play a role. No matter how it freeze outside, I just for them things. So just make them be. Just make children be. So guys, yes, in this kind of weather, I want you to comment right now and tell me what would be your go-to food. For me want some soup. So me can't wait till Tina come off so she can prepare my soup, because this is what I want. I want my chicken foot soup. Yes, I want my chicken foot soup. I want. So I go see how that go. Hopefully we have all of the ingredients to get it done. So we now have to try to hustle and bustle for go in the snow for try find what store open for get everything. I'm pretty sure, 99% sure we have everything for boil little soup. So therefore Tina Nana excuse when she come in. Okay, so let us see what will happen. So obviously you realize me are the number one dad. When I'm around the children, they have a blast because I make sure that them happy. Them love when daddy play with them, you know. I just them that. I don't know if I say. I just me that. I just me the number one dad, you know, top notch dad and thing. So them always, you know, the activities and everything. The kiddies gym, the kiddies activity, everything can go on. If I make a mess, you don't know. We're gonna make a mess and then clean it up afterwards. But we have to keep them active. One thing I must add, that last year we didn't get much snow. But this year looks deadly. Man, I lie. They predicted an all-day snow. All day. I have never witnessed or lived through a day worth of snow. We know it fall a little bit and it stop and it ice up and then you go play, but I mean right smack from morning till evening it's gonna be snowing, and we are here to take you along that journey. You know, I'm gonna see what I want, what it is like for sit down all day inside and watch the snow fall outside.
Choose your lemon, you make lemonade. When Mother Nature give ice, you go play. Right, Gio?
No!
So alright guys, we are Jamaicans. By now we must know that if a hurricane, if a storm, if a rain, and even if a snow, you always have that one special individual. You have that one special individual where always I do the most. And by now I'm going to show you who this individual is. I mean, it is snowing and this person here in a snowstorm decided that they're going to take a jog. They're going to take a run. I don't know. You know, we Jamaicans, we don't really play them the game there. No rain, no weather outside when I look right, we're not going. However, them people are kind of different still, so you have to expect the unexpected. Right now, this is what this gentleman is doing.
Wait, my finger on my freeze.
I made a snow angel. Why? Do it again. Wait, mine is horrible.
No, yours is good.
Gio, my hands are freezing. Ready for the adventure. Ready? We're going down the hill. I don't know. It's all covered in ice. So I don't know if I can see it, but here we're gonna roll down the hill. Ready, set, go! Ah. My head a spin. Can't get up. Help! Help, we can't get up. Ah, that was fun. Huh? You try it. Roll down. Tino is gonna rock and roll.
Tino.
Go. Snow angel.
I'm freezing! Yay, Tino!
So cool. You hear that spin yet?
Oh yeah, it is. I thought I was still young, but
Oh my god, this is fun. Should I have a trampoline?
No,
I need to get one.
I don't like those things.
Dada! Guys, this is the traditional way of doing things. The traditional way of doing things. But I'm gonna teach you a hack to get it done real quick. Do wanna see a hack?
Alright guys, but I know you know say work have to go in a snow. When it don't snow, you have to clean your driveway or you have to get out anyway. You know, and as I mentioned before, the salt will do the trick. The salt will make it easy because the worst thing you want is for this hard up on the driveway and then it gets slippery. So you have to really clean. As soon as the snow don't fall, you try to clean it because you don't want. Remember the conditions very cold. So if this turn ice on you, dog meow your supper. So we have to get this cleaned as soon as possible. ASAP, ASAP, whatever you want to call it, we have to get it clean. So you know, tell me how my hack go. Tell me about the hack. We always use a shovel. We have multiple shovels, but I realize the past couple of snow days it take too long. So me just go at Home Depot and buy a nice piece of plywood and it do the trick. Tell me what you think about it.
Alright guys, even though I have on gloves, so my hand them red, feel hard for my hand, feel like I want to catch frostbite. But I show you the finished product in no time your driveway clean. Follow the shovel, now go work. Look at that. In no time. We're all clear.
Alright guys, now we're at the end of this video. And we are going to give you the answer to the riddle that we gave you earlier. That riddle was, what do you get if you merge a snowman with a shark? So the answer is quite simple. What do you get if you merge a snowman with a shark? Obviously, it's frostbite. You get it? Frostbite. Yeah, corny, but you know, that's what it is. A snowman frosty, a shark bite. Frostbite. That's the answer. Once more guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying in tune with the House of the Browns. So we thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you will be notified whenever we make a banging post like this. Until next time, keep warm. Literally keep warm during this winter season.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.